Hey guys, it's Donnie. Hey, the main reason for this video is I want to tell you guys I'm not really liking all the time putting up YouTube videos. I kind of find it a hassle, and I don't like shooting videos at customers' homes unless the customers are really cool with someone shooting a video in their house, which is not always the case. Uh, and I only want these videos where I talk to the camera. Uh, I don't mind putting them up a little bit, but the truth is, if you want to get involved with me, if you like me, I mean, some of you do, some of you don't, but if you like me and want to be involved with me, the best thing you can do is come and join my carpet cleaning group. It's called Carpet Cleaning Rotary or Orbital, and I'm there all the time. I put up tons of posts. I share videos in there, all kinds of stuff, but basically everything I'm really about. I do most all my business on the Facebook groups. I just like the group. It's my group, so I have full control. But I go over there and I do pretty much whatever I want. But I'm over there all the time. So if you want to interact with me because you like me, or you think I'm a cool guy or whatever, thank you if you do. But if you want to be involved with me, the best thing to do is instead of waiting for me to put out a YouTube video, is to come over and and now my group is come to my group. I'll put a link to it in this video description. And the thing that's nice about the group is it's open. I don't have it where you got to join it. I mean, I don't have any tricks or everything's transparent. If you come to my group, you can join the group, or you can just come to there and see whatever you want, and you don't have to join. My group's completely open to anybody in the world. I'm not one of these people that thinks, oh, this is a bunch of secrets, keep it from the world. All these like these rebel carpet cleaners that think they know the secret to, the secret to life when it comes to carpet cleaning. My stuff is completely open and everybody's welcome. You can join the group or you can just come by there. But if you want to interact with me, whether you like me or not, you can come to my group and interact with me or just see what I'm saying. If you want to see what I'm, what I'm talking about for for that day. And I post a lot in there and I interact a lot in that group. So the best thing is I will put up YouTube videos, but the best thing is if you want to have a constant interaction with me personally, come to my group and join it, or just come by there and just see what's going on. It's open. It's not hidden for nobody. So feel free to come by and see me there. But I'm gonna put a link to the group in this video so that you can easily get there. Anyway, I wanted to tell people that because I really don't. I'd really rather interact in my group than on YouTube. It's just the format I choose to like. So. But anyway, have a nice day, and I hope I see you in the group soon. Bye bye.